Hello. I've been really enjoying listening to the birds today on my walk. It's early spring and they are busy looking for a mate, collecting materials for a nest and setting out their territories and somewhere to put their nest. So they've got a lot to sing about. What I do is stand still and close my eyes. That helps me to really focus on the bird sound. So you could try that. And every time you hear a bird sound, why not put a finger out and see how many birds you can hear in 1 minute. If you do that a lot, you'll start to tell the difference between different bird sounds. And wouldn't that be amazing? Well, I've been pretending to be a bird, so you can try this. And I've collected up different materials on my walk that would be good to make a nest with. I've collected up some sticks, some grass, soft grass, and some leaves. I've been really careful not to pull anything off a tree or anything that's growing out from the ground, just used materials that have fallen on the floor. And I think I've made quite a good nest, but I know the birds can do a lot better, and I'm sure you can too. Well, I'm going to look for somewhere in a tree to put my nest and see if a bird actually comes and uses it. Well, enjoy listening to the birds on your walk. It's a really relaxing thing to do.